Looking for foods that help clear mucus? Mucus keeps our body nourished and hydrated, but excess mucus can cause issues like a clogged nose, constant cough, and phlegm. Overproduction often occurs when our immune system fights infections, leading to congestion, colds, and worse. Fortunately, some natural foods can help reduce mucus and detox your body. Here are 7 foods that help clear mucus and promote health. 1. Ginger. Ginger is a powerful antibacterial ingredient with many benefits, used as a remedy since ancient times. Its rich antioxidants help reduce excess mucus naturally. You can use ginger in various ways: add it to tea, soups, stews, or main courses for quick relief within a few weeks. 2. Pineapple. However, pineapple has plenty of health benefits. Pineapple adds a unique component called bromelain. It is a protein that helps to kill mucus rapidly. Many people love to eat pineapple because of its juicy and delicious taste. Some eat to get the antioxidants, but many of us are not aware that experts advise to eat pineapple after a sinus operation to reduce mucus production. One can also have pineapple juice but do not add anything to it. Just a simple drink or eat pineapple regularly to get rid of mucus. 3. Berries. Berries are rich in vitamin C, minerals, and antioxidants, which help reduce mucus naturally. Blueberries, strawberries, elderberries, and cranberries are particularly effective. You can eat them fresh, make smoothies, or add them to cereals. Berries also provide fiber, which aids in fighting infections and hydrating your body. Regular consumption can significantly improve your health and reduce mucus. 4. Pumpkin seed. It might sound unusual, but the Chinese medicinal tradition believes pumpkin seeds can help reduce excess mucus and offer many other health benefits. Rich in fiber, protein, and antioxidants, pumpkin seeds fight infections and eliminate mucus, improving your breathing within weeks. Eat a handful of pumpkin seeds daily or add them to your dishes for best results. 5. Broccoli. Vegetables like broccoli, cauliflower, beans, and Brussels sprouts are especially effective at reducing mucus due to their fiber, enzymes, and antioxidants. These components help break down and eliminate mucus from the body. If you don't enjoy these veggies, try incorporating them in different ways: eat them raw, steam them, or add them to soups, stews, pasta, or noodles. A blended broccoli soup with pine nuts is another delicious option. 6. Apples. Apples are rich in antioxidants, vitamin C, and potassium, and these all are needed to decrease mucus from your body. Most people love to eat an apple, and they must know this fantastic result of an apple. One of the surprising facts about apples is that you can add them to cakes or desserts because the potassium won't destroy during heat, so that you can enjoy the dish with all the benefits of apples. 7. Garlic and onion. Garlic is the best antibacterial and contains healing properties, so the onion has multiple functional components that directly work on mucus and kill it naturally. Maybe some people won't like the smell of garlic or onion, but after knowing the benefits, you will love it. Garlic is known for its ability to open blocked noses. Add mashed garlic cloves to your regular foods, soups, or stews to release its beneficial components. While dealing with infections or mucus isn't easy, natural remedies like garlic are often better than medications with side effects. Nature offers many wonderful foods that we often overlook. We hope this information helps you breathe freely again, with your cough and cold vanishing in a few weeks. Follow the described instructions for the best results. For more information and videos, stay in touch with us. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Take care and never lose hope.